If you're a drone pilot or business owner, you already know that staying compliant with the UK CAA can feel like a never-ending battle. Regulations keep changing, ops manuals need constant updates, and when that email comes in from the CAA saying that you've been selected for an audit, it can feel like the rug's been pulled out from under you. I get it, I've lived it, and that's why I've created Drone Business Hub. Over the past decade, I've worked with thousands of drone pilots, helping them get certified, build careers and grow successful businesses. But no matter how good they were at flying, one thing always held them back: paperwork. I saw operators lose jobs because their ops manuals weren't up to date. I saw businesses struggle with last-minute compliance changes. I've watched pilots waste valuable hours trying to keep up with shifting regulations instead of doing what they love: flying. The truth is, you didn't start a drone business to drown in paperwork. You started it to fly, to innovate and to build something great. And I believe compliance shouldn't stand in the way of that. So we built Drone Business Hub, a tool that makes compliance effortless. It's your always up-to-date, always audit-ready, always CAA compliant operations manual platform. With Drone Business Hub, your ops manual isn't just a static document. It's dynamic. We take care of updates for you so that when regulations change, your manual changes too. You'll never have to stress about missing something critical from the CAA again. It's fast, it's easy, and most importantly, it lets you focus on what really matters: running your business, flying safely, and growing your success. Right now, we're launching our beta program and we're inviting a limited number of drone professionals to join us early. If you want to take the stress out of compliance, if you want to be audit ready at the click of a button, this is your chance to be part of something game-changing. Apply now and see how effortless compliance can be.